Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to bake this red velvet cake. Before we get started, head over to my website meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I have the butter and the sugar in the bowl. You see the butter is nice and soft, which is easy to mix. Okay, so I'm going to mix this together. And mix. I'm going to add in the flour and cocoa powder. And then I also use some red food coloring gel. Okay, I'm going to just use the back of a, you can use the back of a spoon or a fork to get some of this gel out. Okay. And I've got some Christmas red that I'm going to use. That's from Sugar Flare. I'm also going to get a little bit out. You need quite a lot of red, but not too much, because it's a bit of chocolate cake. And nowadays I notice the colors are not as strong. So a long time ago I used to use quite a bit of red food coloring, but now I need to use a lot more than I used to before. And sometimes it still doesn't go as red as it used to be. Okay, so I'm going to fold this in. When I'm making red velvet cakes, I then sometimes use the whisk. I usually fold in my ingredients, but with this I might use the whisk so that the red color is mixed in properly. Mixed in. I don't need the hand whisk because my gel is still quite new. Sometimes when it's getting old or best before date, it gets too thick, so you may need to use a whisk. Okay, so I'm going to put this in my prepared baking tray. Now I'm going to label it with a knife and bake it. It's now going in the oven until it's ready. Okay, the red velvet cake is ready. I'm going to now get it out of the tin. Okay. Oh, that came out so easily. I'm going to peel off the paper. Just turn it around and leave to cool completely before I decorate it. To watch a video on how to decorate the cake, click on the link above. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.